What's going on YouTube? I'm making a video of a new exhaust setup I got. It's been about a month since I got it. I've done a couple things to the truck since then. I'm put a 2.5-inch level kit up front, 24s, 305s. Ride's pretty smooth. Gas miles didn't go down at all. But the exhaust setup I got is, I was gonna go with the Flowmaster Super 10, but I looked up online, saw a lot of videos. I've had a Super 10 myself, and I ended up going with a Jones full bore single chamber muffler. There's no difference in sound compared to the Flowmaster 10, but so I have all 3 cats. I'm fixing to take the 3rd cat off and ran it back here, 3-inch all the way back, and I got a 4.5-inch axle dump right there. And I'm gonna start it up and let y'all see what it sounds like. On camera. I'm recording with this with the iPhone. It's a new one. Hopefully it sounds good. That's what she sounds like. She has a good tone. It has a nice drone on the highway. It's not too loud, but when you stomp on it, she roars.